The first thing that should be done on the life insurance page is validating the customer's height and weight. If red X's appear, read off the conclusion and do not submit the life insurance form. If you get green checks, proceed on to the insurance company question. Life insurance does not operate the same way as auto and home insurance. If the customer does not have life insurance, we are still able to provide them with this service. If the customer has life insurance through their work and their policy does not expire, select December of 2014. Ask the customer when their policy started. If the customer does not know when their policy started, have them take their best guess. When asking about the policy type, ask the customer if they would be looking for a term life or whole life policy. Term life would be for a certain term of their life. An example of this would be a 10-year term life policy. Whole life would be for the duration of their entire life. Never ask the customer about variable or universal life insurance. Coverage amount is the amount paid out in the case of the death of a policyholder. When naming off major health issues, health history, and hazardous activities, always make sure you name everything off. If the customer says yes to any of these questions, click the box to the left. If the customer takes part in any hazardous activity that is not on the list, click Other and describe the activity. When asking about the medication, if the customer does not know the spelling, take down their best guess. If the customer does not know what the medication is called, ask them what it is used for and put that down instead. If the customer does not know the dosage in which they take, put down 20 mg. Ask the customer the frequency in which they take their medication. Lastly, if the customer takes more than 2 medications, let them know that when the insurance companies call, they will go over the rest of the information with them. Ask the customer on a scale of 1 to 10 if they could rate their level of interest on receiving a life insurance quote, 10 being high and 1 being low interest, what number they would select.